Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm bringing to you the creamy carrot batter for both hair and skin. This batter is going to leave your skin silky, younger looking and more elastic. It is also going to help in hair growth and prevent hair fall. It's going to add volume to your hair and prevent hair breakage. It adds moisture to both skin and hair and hence preventing dryness. Without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, you're gonna need some carrot oil. If you don't know how to make carrot oil, I have a video on how I make carrot oil in the description box. Just check it out. Now you're gonna need some pure unrefined shea butter. You also gonna need some castor oil. Finally, you're gonna need some vegetable glycerin. Now get your shea butter and melt it up with a double boiler. Now add your carrot oil. Come in with a tablespoonful castor oil. Come in with about 6 to 8 tablespoonfuls of vegetable glycerin. Now mix everything up with a mixer and allow it to settle. After about 10 minutes of settling, you can see it started freezing up a little bit. This is due to the shea butter. Now come in with your mixer again and start mixing everything up. Continue mixing till you get a rich and fluffy texture. As you can see, our butter is ready now and it looks so yummy. But hey, we can't eat it. We're gonna use it for our hair and skin. I'm just gonna get a clean container and transfer everything inside. And as you can see, it is very soft. And it spreads so easily on the skin. This butter is very good for the hair and skin, and it doesn't freeze up during the winter months. You can keep it for about 6 months. It's gonna leave you with a rich golden skin. And your hair is gonna thank you. So this is it guys, I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me your thumbs up and share this video. And until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.